Okay, this is the KIMO electric ratchet. Comes with this hard case. Comes with the ratchet and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits and 2 batteries. I got 1 battery in and then 1 battery over there on the charger. So we're gonna go out to the garage and test it out. See how it works. It's almost wintertime here in Michigan. So here's a bike tire. Now it works as a regular ratchet, so you can loosen it up like a regular ratchet, or then you just hit the button and it comes off. And let's switch it back on. Hit the button. The ratchet is on pretty tight, and then you just give it one last tug to tighten it back up. Overall, feels really nice in the hand. Feels like a quality build. Yeah, so great product. Give it a try. Thanks.